Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming ownership and signing into the Google account that registered the prompt. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone stays within Bluetooth range. This preserves the handoff. You will need the device PIN or lock method available because removal requires authentication. Start the prompt flow in Settings or from the notification. Follow the on-screen verification. This is the first actionable step that begins the unlink sequence and proves you control. Next, navigate to Settings, then Google, and open Device Prompts or Security. This is where the verification lives. You will see a prompt on the paired device. Approve it, then enter the device PIN or use biometrics to confirm. That proves the physical presence. If multiple Google accounts appear, make sure to select the correct account before approving, because removing the wrong one won't unlink the target. These steps complete the secure verification that Google requires to proceed. Finally, in the Google account device list, choose Remove or Forget Device and confirm. This severs the prompt connection. Once removed, reboot both the phone and the device, and then check account sync to ensure it no longer appears. If the UI blocks removal, revoke device access from the Google Account Permissions page online, then try again. That forces a reset. Quick troubleshooting tip. If prompts persist, sign out of Google on the device, wait 1 minute, then sign back in, and repeat removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.